Welcome to Vidyaram Academy. Now let's see some contractions, means some short words created with omission of some letters where the symbol punctuation mark apostrophe one lifted comma, that is apostrophe, that tells us some letters are omitted, removed, and contraction is made. And that's why this lesson is important. Some educated people may say it is surprising, somewhere we never listened, never seen such contractions, but still it is true. It is created after good study. So keep faith and learn them. Now let us see one by one. This must be pronunciation, and long form is I am. How to read? This first one, I'm, and its a meaning to keep in mind is I am. Now this way we shall go ahead and ahead. I have, I had, or I should, or I would. Now someone will ask that how is it possible? How can we understand three options? That's why we know earlier trick that tells us after have means here is past tense had, after had we should find third form means past participle. And that's why if I read I taken means it is I had taken. I take means it should be I should take or I would take. Again it refers to the meanings earlier told. Now here next is I shall or I will. Nowadays it is same meaning. We are. In contraction it is we are. So long form is we are. He is or he has. If it is continuous tense, he's going, he's taking, then it is continuous present, he is taking. And if it is he's gone, means he has gone. So that's why we have to understand properly the sequences earlier told. And now next is let us. Let's play means let us play. Next is many times in poems we observe this type of contraction, apostrophe and em means m. It is having the meaning them. Whatever means whatever. So next is group of helping verbs, 24 helping verbs. Out of them, this one and these three are special somehow. Means here totally it is borrowed from this, are not, later borrowed. Initially it was not there, but afterwards somehow it is agreed. So first contraction here it is shown, am not, it is are. This one is special in pronunciation only, means spelling is normal, but pronunciation is different, do not, don't. And these three, they are also special because shall not, shan't, will not, won't, and cannot, can't. So these three are very different. Many letters are omitted, many adjustments are done in that. So these are different. Now remaining, they are very general, means add n apostrophe t. So while we make any negative sentence, am not, is not, are not, like that. And many times in general speech, in language, we see contractions. A lot of times while talking we use contractions. So it is necessary to understand this. Now let us see one by one in a sequence. I'm not, aren't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, have not, haven't, has not, hasn't, had not, hadn't, ought not, oughtn't, used not, usedn't. But here many times you will observe two after these two words, means ought not to, oughtn't to, used not to, usedn't to. So this way it will come. Now next column comes do not, don't, does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, need not, needn't, dare not, daren't. Next will come like this: shall not, shan't, will not, won't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't, would not, wouldn't, should not, shouldn't, may not, mayn't, might not, mightn't, must not, mustn't. So this way, if you learn these contractions, your language will progress and you will get better knowledge of English language and you will be master. So thank you for observing, understanding this video.